In the early 90s, something went wrong. Kruger National Park's elephant population was booming, and culling operations sought to bring it under control. Orphaned youngsters, spared from the culling, were sent to reserves across South Africa. Shortly thereafter, reports of mysterious rhino deaths began to emerge. Rangers were also noticing that some orphaned elephant bulls were behaving more aggressively than usual. It was soon revealed that these young elephants had been attacking rhinos. They were the culprits behind the killings. But what drove these adolescent elephants to attack rhinos? A species that they would rarely interact with under normal circumstances. The answer lay in the delicate dynamics of the elephant herd.
So what was happening is, because they had this overpopulation of elephants, they started to move some of the younger elephants out of this into other areas, but the older elephants, male elephants, were too big. They airlifted them in helicopters. So they said, well, they killed some of the male elephants, bad news, but they killed some, and then they took the young ones to other reserves in South Africa. And what they noticed was, as you saw, the young elephants became juvenile delinquents. They stomped the rhinos, even though elephants and rhinos can coexist. They started to run rampant. They started to destroy tourist buses and so on. They were wild. And then they decided, well, let's try to bring back some of the male elephants. And they brought back some male elephants in the herd. And what happened was that in between 3 and 4 weeks, the young elephants began to behave.